Japan Dyno, the best of Japan to you. Howdy, this is Andy of Japan Dyno, and I have for you a Super SQV super sequential blow-off valve made by the HKS company of Japan. This particular valve was removed from a Ransa Able 4 HKS blow-off valve. So from the Ransa, the Mitsubishi Lancer, the Evolution, the Able as it's called in Japan, Able 4. So this particular flange is the vehicle-specific flange for the Evo 4. The valve itself is a universal and adjustable type. As you can see, it has the bolt, the adjusted bolt in the back here. But the flange, specific for the Evo, and can be used with any of the Evo vehicles. Also, the same flange with a different rubber hose is used for the S14 S15, and also for the various other Mitsubishi vehicles such as the GTO and so forth. So a vehicle-specific flange, but a universal super sequential blow-off valve. This is the full kit with the stopper and the hose and of course the two bands there. The sequential blow-off valve, a blow-off valve that works with a diaphragm. It has a diaphragm in the center here, a diaphragm type blow-off valve. So boost pressure from below pushes on the diaphragm. The vacuum from the inner manifold, which connects to this little nipple here, pulls on the diaphragm. When the diaphragm is enough to overcome the spring resistance, which the spring is incorporated in the spring housing here, it will pull a small piston that is situated in the middle of the valve here, allowing the boost pressure to squeeze in little sequential bursts from the front trumpet here, giving that distinctive HKS super sequential sound. So the back of the valve here has the bolt and locking nut. This is for the tensioning of the spring and the setting of the valve. So an adjustable type blow-off valve that can be used with any turbo vehicle on a vehicle-specific flange. So this is from the other side. As you can see, lots of marks and corrosion, but in good working condition, 100% working order. And looking at the back here, this is the spring housing, the diaphragm housing in the center here, diaphragm housing here, piston located through here, and of course the trumpet at the other end. This is the nipple that connects to the inner manifold. And finally a view from the front. So this is the little valve that gets pulled back and allows the booster to squeeze around the outside of it, creating that distinctive HKS sequential sound. So HKS super sequential blow-off valve made by the HKS company here in Japan, made in Japan, from Japan. Thank you. In order to serve you better, we have our website at www.japandyno.com, as well as our blog, the Japan Dyno Daily Fix, where we feature items of special interest. Look forward to seeing you there.